talk about my brother, my best friend. I'm so very proud of you, what you've accomplished in your life so far, with all the nonsense that you must sit up with. I don't want to call them names, but we know these elderlies who are fighting you, these ones that refuse to die. But you will show them what you are capable of. Because you are working with the masses. You are working with the people on the ground. Yes. One thing Mswati always learned me, in the beginning when I joined him in the ANC Youth League, when I was still thinner like now, they say I look like Wendy Matash. But I always said to when we go to the big events, we will sit with the comrades and I ask him, why don't we sit there by the VIPs? And he will ask me, why do you want to sit there? I said, I don't know, there's VIPs there. He said, the VIPs bring you nowhere. It's the people on the ground. Yeah. It's the people that will bring you somewhere in life. It's the people on the ground. So with anything that you want to do in your life, I've got your back 110%. From the start till the finish. And whatever you choose to do, I will stand by you, what your decision is. You know, people don't realize how much time this man offers up for his family. He don't see his children. He don't see his wives. He's always busy. And we must respect that. Yeah. It's not every leader that do that. So I'm going to keep it short. I don't want to talk too long. It's got a bit hard here. And your wives are shaking to talk. So I want to give them the opportunity. Thank you guys.
Which later led to the formation of Umkhonto weSizwe in 1961. And in 1964, Mandela, the 8th of his Congress, was sentenced to life, and there was no political activity in this country until a young man emerged from Ginsberg by the name of Steve Bantu Wamkemiko in 1968 with the South African Student Organization, which later led to the 1976 uprising, where the youth were killed and they had to join the ranks of Umkhonto weSizwe, and they went outside the country. In 1985, Oliver Tambo advanced, defend, and give the enemy no quarter, render the government ungovernable, which later resulted into the breakthrough of 1994. But in terms of punctuality, every Zenama meeting council, there's no single meeting that delayed, that never said. They were always punctual. Good punctuality, similar to distinction. Number 3, conduct. Conducting behavior in council meetings in order to deal with the council issues. We gave him a distinction. Number 4, as absolutely the level when there's a conflict, this issue will resolve itself in terms of conflict resolution and his ability to solve our problems. Like council, even our matches, we gave him a distinction. Number 5, we have the meeting we organized. All meeting organized, including the opposition, respect him. A distinction. Sima Council, your principles, your teachings, they will still remain. They understand. So, Spomagakulu, Fundiso Yako, standing rules para semen ukuthi nathi siyophuma lapha kamasipalata nathi sina nesibonga kakhulu sibonge ukuthi wakhathalela amakhansela wakhathalele kwangathi you are a ward council. Kungaqalwa nje kube ngathi kunenkinga kuze bathi ukhansela ukwaziwe ukhansela gijima wena. So siyabonga i-welfare yamakhansela as we compromise, and where we are seated, we will work well with those that are coming. We will work well with them. We We're not gonna be hostile.
Guys, community of Malahlen, let's start by thanking the family of Mr. Mswati. Omaya Nkosi, siyabonga ukuthi always when we need this man, you allow him the time. As you can Honorable Councillor Nkosi, Sicelo sibongele naMagogo for persevering in all the trials and tribulations. He has brought us through many times to say, whatever you are facing is not good for her health. So, Sicelo sibongele naMagogo. Nginibonge nonke program directors, nginibonge nonke. By the way, when we are speaking about Mduduzi Mswati Nkosi, is not a man that you need to, when you are about to speak, you don't need a speech to prepare for. Because you are speaking about the content and the brand itself. Mduduzi Mswati Nkosi is the man who's always swimming against the flow. And when other leaders will pretend celebrities, he's the one who will stick with to the masses. Kungaba ne-RSC meeting of the ANC, bahlale phambili ematafuleni, but Mduduzi will be sitting down there with the masses. Comrade Mduduzi Mswati has produced a lot of us. There's a progressiveness of Amabutho and Mabutukazi agwele in our communities, doing quite well to bring difference in our communities of Malahlen. Mduduzi Mswati has produced a lot of councillors, including Osizwe Matebula, Ronaldo, Councillor Mxolisi Khoza, to name a few. Today, because of Mduduzi, we've got Young Pekuta, Sizwe Matebula in the NCU League, and myself in the YCL as a spokesperson. We're in a solid corner, another corner, we see nothing, but he set us down. Samlalel. Today was something. Today, communities. We have seen Mduduzi Mswati Nkosi producing progressive forces in terms of governance. Sinabo senior researchers, sinabo Bambakalela, sinabo So, cry beloved councillors and our communities, CDWs, because your fire extinguisher is gone. The only person who come to your community, the councillor is not responsible, but service delivery lies within the office of the mayor. Today we have stakeholders, companies that did not know how to comply. But into those strategic positions, we have made companies to comply and what Ashama volunteer and communities and national opportunities. Today, Comrade Mduduzi Mswati Nkosi, we have never seen the existence of Paula and Khana. Through your existence, says number 4 it's Paula, Comrade Mduduzi. Says number 4 it's Khana. And we are seeing the vibrance of Khana, big up to Khana, and Paula. Lastly, as I submarine, Comrade Mduduzi, I would like to wish you well in your new responsibilities. And as Umfowethu has mentioned, which you'll be more on the ground, Siyacela Comrade Mduduzi, never change the way we've operated before. We are pleading with you that we are the masses and we are in favor of you. We'll always support you. Loyalty and consistency is one of your teachings. We have taught us not to sell out one of our own. But we have seen people that we have made today selling you out. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for your kindness. You remain calm and
private school. I'm trying to go to Swati. Community phakathi ngemfundo ye-public school. Kakhulu. Ngiyangishwa nonke ngamagama. Ngibonge labo laba sisengathile etimeni lekumatima. ngibonge ubhuti wami noma ngabe yena silaleli simtshela isikhathi sonke lenza sisebenzisa yena uhlala kahle simavolunteer phambili noma sesimtshela sesiyifamily sithi hayi man tokathini lapha sina sitawubona kuzamazama athi nayi volunteer phambili buka lama volunteer manje nalamanye hayi nina nonke akusini nonke mara buka nalamanye manje satitering manje semabholo semathongo yabona ukuthi lendane manje mara asikho lapho uthatha ukubona nonke ngiyathi abanye bengofuna ukubona imali manje abanye bengofuna ukubona amasoketho dala abanye bengofuna ukubahleli nefamily yabo mara ngithi sesikhathini nalohlala naso nathi sinethathile semndeni wakankosi ngefewele yabhuti wami lokhulu siyabonga kakhulu inkosi enibusise
sikhuluma ngendoda very special ngizocala ngokubingelela kubomama ngibingelele nabosomlomo ngibingelele nakubafethu abakhona ngezigaba one sithanda ukubonga umsebenzi owenziwe le ndoda eMalahleni wokutshintsha impilo zabantu ayikho indoda esike sayibona la eMalahleni iphelezelwa njengale ndoda. One of the men osafare kakhulu asafarela abantu hayi inkinga zakhe. So masikhuluma ngomswati asikhulumi just nje ngomuntu, sikhuluma o extraordinary. Impilo zethu sitshintshe kakhulu especially ezinambeni. Our MMC technical izinto azenze ezinambeni abantu abasha bebasebenza ezinambeni njengamanje 99% ligcwele la abantu abasha. Speaker thina la mhleli khona ngijabula kakhulu ukuthi bayenze le Mswati must fall baba happy labahleli khona baya celebrate majority of them. Speaker lastly khona emawadini bathi abafana bakaMswati njengaphumile so kumele ni support so sijabulile thina why abantu ba celebrate nathi sayidinga sa celebrate because that office ebimenzi fire extinguisher yaseMalahleni uzocima imililo angayibasanga bahleli abo MMC technical bahleli abo honorable Ntontoni. But he was the man ebekaphuma striking. He was the man ebekafika azo understand his community. I remember one of the good days afika lapha 29 ezinambeni kunganagezi 11 yamaward ezinambeni bekunganagezi bangena emakhoneni speaker baphatha bekushisa ezinambeni bekungekho beyanasondela lapha ezinambeni the way bekustrike ngakhona, but he was the one owenze 29 waguqa ngamadolo acela umphakathi wase-29 uspeaker awuspeaker ngokwakhe waguqa ngamadolo ukuthi kuphumele ya transformer lapha e-29 ihambe iye phase 4 la kumele connecte khona kukhanya ugesi. Angizange ngabona indoda efana noSomlomo grounded humble ngalendlela enezifundisa. Usually tell abafowethu ukuthi thina sinelaki ukuba duzane noSomlomo because sibe duzane newisdom, umuntu obona ngale. So namhlanje khona Somlomo ngithi mina last khona sizojabula kahle kahle asizelanga kuzothi farewell uma siyazi ukuthi nala uya khona bayochubeka bajayive uzochubeka ube ujayivana njengojayivana yabona uyi1 ayi100 uzoba slice siyaphila. So into engizama ukuyisho lana ukuthi bafowethu asimbongeni asaphila simcelebrateeni asaphila because I think majority yethu sihleli la simazi ngendlela ezingafani. different type of a person. Uyinhlobonhlobo yomuntu, mara always humble and resolute. So into engizoyisho thina siyisinamba somlomo ukuthi sijabule kakhulu ukuthi manje siyoba nawe more than before. Ukuthi lela office labo abahlale nalo baqine mara thina sesizoba nawe more than before because of how like duze ukuthi nokwenzakalayo.
Comrades who are here today, not to bid farewell, but here to celebrate a leader who has served the community to its excellence. Comrades, akumelanga sidane, akumelanga sikwatele abanye abantu, akunamuntu akumele simkwatele comrades. No. Let me tell you, if uhlala nomswati, but let me acknowledge this injustice that is happening today. We cannot be given a platform to come and speak about this giant in front of us who has always been there for us. For 5 minutes, that's an injustice. That's an injustice that needs to be corrected. Comrades, if you are around Mswati, in terms of politics, you need to understand things in the bigger scheme or in the bigger sense. Or when there are hands, the Mswati must fall. No, comrades. These are not the people who want him to fall. The people who want him to fall are those at the high levels in the structures of the ANC. Low of the past, comrades, it's nothing. The people who want him to fall are those who are serving in the ANC, in the upper structures. Comrades, I would call him Zayona. The reason why they hate him is the potential that he possesses as a president. When people look at you and they see that you've got this potential, they'll hate you because they think that with you in the space, they will not stand a chance to become what they want to become. And people will hate you and go to the ends of the earth just to get rid of you. Not because you've done anything, no. Let me tell you this. You see, I'm going to go to David, but I want to go there. If David, who are saying this it means they're going to kill you, they're going to plot against you. Now I'm saying, now let me understand the level of the last community. Two things that I'm taking out of Mswati. Then two things. One, how to behave under pressure. How to behave under pressure. What do you do when you feel that everything that you do, everyone is against you? How do you behave? How do you conduct yourself? Many people will collapse. Many people will commit one of the worst mistakes of their lives. But how he handles himself, I've never seen people under uthi uyobahlola uyokhuthaza umuntu afike la yena ukhuthaze wena. Uyohlola umuntu ukuthi endoda manje ngiyabona ukuthi kuyabheka manje ngizokutshela ukuthi ishimandoda. Qina manje uyazi lokho kwenzakala usangena yena udumela wena le-encouragement. Ungakakhulumi uphina wena unga-encourage-anga yena. Two people, Mandla Msibi no Comrade Mswati. These are the strongest leaders I've ever seen. I can tell you. Very strong. Strong akusho ukuthi phela wefile. Strong akusho ukuthi wena uhluma ukuzwa. But it's what you do in the midst of those situations. What's important. Thina malahleni asilahlelelwe leader. We're not bidding farewell yet. No, we're not bidding farewell. He's still going to serve in the district. Which Malachen is still part of. This is not the first time I am Kangala district. When he came to Malachen as an MMC technical, he was from a district as an MMC AD. We've seen what he was doing at district. He came to Malachen and he did it. He's going back to the district to do it again. Because this is a leader who in any position now Faga Corner, he will always excel. He will always excel. Now, one thing abantu abangayunderstand. Sinabantu abakhethiwe emholini. Nabantu abazikhethe bona. uNkulunkulu makayibeke kuwe lento yokuhola. I'm telling you. Akekho umuntu ozoyithatha angekho uthandwa abantu abaningi. Abantu abafuni umuntu ozobenzela iqiniso, bafuna umuntu akhohlisanyana. Ngoba tshela iqiniso abafuni. But comrades, I had injustice, I'm rectifying it. Now I'm saying, comrades, last year as I close, that was on a lighter note. Lastly, comrades, is that I went at them who comrades and said, leadership, listen, there's nothing that I can tell you that you've never been through. There's nothing that I can tell you now that you do not know. But this is what I'm telling you now, that we are going to pray to God, the person who has chosen you to lead you and guide you into his purpose, because we can say whatever, in the end his purpose must be fulfilled. The how part, so where you're going, it's what God wants, because who does it though? As keeper who and as father who for the next position, because when you get there, let's see those services truly Zabega, Zafigi, Zamendela, Lion, and Funufia. So today, comrades, we are celebrating him, not because he's going, because he's fulfilling the purpose of God wherever he goes. And therefore, comrades, we're going to say, God, keep this man, protect him, guide him, lead him into your purpose.
this isn't goodbyes, but rather see you later kind of moment. Truly, you've made such a positive impact in Emmanuel, and for that, you leave a great legacy behind. Being married to you isn't only about sharing you with a sister wife, your family, your children, but also to the community at large. So thank you for Kutisa affiliating. Asna lo tulele shotana, letsohulele shotana, litulele shotana, arayo. This isn't the end of the chapter, but definitely a beginning of a new one. Love you and all the best.
First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you who made this function to be possible. And the work that I'm going to it shows what I see wounding. It's not only by blood, but wounding. None of it shows that Sinabantu that will take care of us. I'd like to acknowledge the former speaker. It shows good Bella speaker. I'd like to acknowledge also the person behind this Bashas Tugai. It's not us own. It's Prince Makata. He is the man that he is, as smart as he is. It's Prince Makata. He's right there at the back. He's dead. Our husband is not only the chair or the speaker, but Wabani is a brother. Let's say I'm there was miscarriage, it's painful because you have a woman to it in as a wife. And sometimes you think of your safety as well. But people always say, I just feel cool, keen, nakuye.
David, ungena nomama wakhe emshadweni, but ubaba kaDavid akamfuni David. Wenza show ukuthi uDavid uyacindezeleka. uDavid ubaba kaDavid wenza show ukuthi uDavid la lusa khona inkomo, ulusa inkomo lapho namabhubesi khona namabhele. Inhloso yalokho ukuthi uDavid akenze njani akafe. Ngifuna kunezinto engifuna ukuthi uzi-understand namhlanje. The more uphezela umuntu, the more uphakamisa. uNkulunkulu ufika kuSamuel, uthi kuSamuel, hamba ukhetha inkosi yama-Israyeli engizokukhombisa yona. Makafika uSamuel, ufika amadodana kaJese agcwele. Ngokubona kwamehlo komuntu, ubona omunye wamadodana kaJese imfanele le position. uNkulunkulu akusibo la. Lo muntu engifuna ukuthi umkhethe ule emadlweni. So the position, njengoba bengibona kunama campaign ukuthi speaker must follow, is because akusi position yakhe. Kule position uNkulunkulu ambekele yona. And la yakhona uzophatha bona labantu bebathi bakuthisa. Ikaba into eyi-1, yazi uNkulunkulu sometimes makakulwela ufuna
ngithanda ukubonga namhlanje ngikhona ukugqoka impahla ze-1,000 angikaze ngizicabanga ukugqoka because of uSpeaker. Yazi wathini yini? Wathi awukwazi ukulida abantu ubatshele ngempumelelo kumele kwakho. Lead by example. Shabalala mina ngifuna ukubona uhamba ngeenyawo uthi uyilida. Namhlanje I've got 3 cars. Because of uSpeaker. And uSpeaker, there's one thing uSpeaker engimthandela yona, uthanda i-unity. Uthanda peace. Sithe mangilwa no councillor wathi kimi wathi iholo ligcwele so wathi ningayingeni indaba kaShabalala no councillor. Lokho abaqalile bazokusolve bona. Musani ke bantu ukuthi ningena indaba eningazazi ngoba nizosala nodwa. There's one thing about inzondo. Uyamzonda umuntu but umuntu ohluphekayo nguwe. Lo omzondayo uhamba free. Ngoba njalo bakaphuma neplastic njalo bakathenga imoto kuphunyeka wena. So ngizothi ke uSpeaker laba bebazama ukumcinezela. Vele leya ndawo leya bekasindawo yakhe. Ikhona indawo uNkulunkulu bekambekelele. Amandla.
On behalf of Mr. Chwete, chairperson so on his behalf, there was a time when election in Steve Chwete. But members are demarcation we were the only one here Sala is not called with this form or this current is the one. I can have a election. So Bogana Muntu only get out in our certificate. But in nine, I confidence in till today. They want the time, let's say 122, then I let them in the court. You know what number to keep them chief with was a Steve Chwete. Again, good night to us who say on our side. The sickness sevens and thing about the best called sevens and my enemies wait. Since we are principle. But what's this card? The present here with the sevens who connect who complete or fulfill the sevens also. Sample this out. What starts as well as Steve Chwete. Wafia watanganisa na mantesi mazwani na abanye bakhona bangayikhona abampraise abasebela bona thina ebampraise ababona thina but during his prayer is absent siyazi ukubakhuluma kanjani so 10% mina ngithanda ukubonga angibongo kubi lokho naxa bakwenzile thina sibonga ukuthi bagijimisile 10% bathi bafuna ukushaya phansi. That it is a opportunity with the man to access almost everything. At first, the Republic was seven to us who's worth an extra mile. None of us is a formula, more people is on Tola or 6 September, but no one told her. We have sent an SMS who would try again. But margin for 7 Sundays and Tuesday, and we back to the 7 on higher level. siyababonga ngaloko ukuthi bakususe from la kulo level bakulisa phezulu. So thina enye into kokugcina esibongayo i-unit oyilete Steve Tshwete. Namuhla we are well known and well recognized as a SCO with your input. Angeke ngisho okuningi okunye okwenzeka ku-back, we all know ukuthi wenzeka. But lokho senzele kona Steve Tshwete. Sibonga kakhulu, siya-appreciate angeke size siphinde sikhohlwe. Namuhla sikhulile, sesikwazi no-negotiate, sikwazi ukwenza konke usimachorile ngomswakhe. Sibonga kakhulu. Amandla.
Mswati angasiyispeaker by mistake. Mswati can call you khulume 45 minutes to an hour, 2 hours. That is why I'm a speaker. But kulo konke azokhuluma comrade, 85% uyakhulisa. Lokunye thathu sibekelele. Because of the mistake esiyenzayo thina comrade, we only enjoy our gatherings. And he once said to the comrade, I cannot be feeding you every day, every time, whenever I'm coming.
Sanibona. Right. How is it now? Sanibona. Before everything, tell them to tell me.